Oh, everything now you see they try recharge. You don't phone, you don't get the account. You don't put that for the set account. You do your normal standard account. Xness. Okay, that broker. They get set account. They are create now. No transfer directly to the set account. Now, if you know almost all of our big successful forex traders that we have in this country, they trade with most of those good brokers, no matter the broker that they are recommending to you. They trade with, I'm not talking about set account, they trade with either Xness or some well reputable brokers. No matter the broker that they recommend to you, they still trade with Xness broker. You know why? Those people have passed the test of time. They can pay you to make money. If you make $1 million, Xness will pay you and you will still receive the money as at the time when you're still receiving. So far, you are qualified for it as your daily minimum withdrawal. You know, they have daily minimum withdrawal in bank to bank payment. And they also have minimum withdrawal if not crypto. So if not crypto, you want to withdraw, like if you withdraw to 10 million USDT in a day. Micro, 90%. No, cent, na cent. Micro, na. What I'm saying is micro, renew, pro, synthetic, cross spread. No. Micro na be now the normal standard account now where you dey trade with your dollar. This network dey form my hand. And they do not even want me to trade again, right? Because the other withdrawal is high. But why that broker they do like that? Why is their law like that? They are telling me verification required. They have not applied the other one. They want to know if you are the one doing it. No, be your account that you created that was verified by creating it. They should just be sending an OTP or all those authentication. You understand? Yes, or to your mail just to activate that. What's supposed to do? What's supposed to do? Supposed just go to nothing like verification. If it's normal money, so this is global trade. Hold on until you give us instructions. That yes, we go use our trade now. No worry. Don't rush anything. We go use our trade. So if get wetin really dey happen, and I go still want you learn am as a trader is. Don't be too quick to execute a trade. Once you see the market move, it doesn't mean you should be inside. Sometimes you need to be patient enough to get the right trade. Yes. Now, because that is the psychology of the market playing on you without you actually knowing that is the psychology, which is based on say the market don't move, they think say you quickly want to take advantage of am now and make you enter. You will go enter finish, lose your money finish before the market will come finally go in your direction. So the best thing, we have a section that we want to trade, and that section is called the New York session by 1 p.m. Nigeria time. 1 p.m. Nigeria time. So once the market open, we now have what is called overlapping. Overlapping means when we have two different trading sections that are active at the same time. So Mr. Tyler, please if you can hear me, unmute yourself and confirm. Mr. Tyler, if you can hear me, unmute yourself and confirm.
Yeah, I can hear you.
All right, good morning. Do you have a live account?
Yeah, yes.
Do you have a live account?
No, I don't. I just want to join class.
Okay. All right, let's get down to business. So, Mama, as a day trader, there are some certain things that we first of all need to learn and have them at the back of our mind. And in the month of in the month of June, I've said it to people around me that I want to make $20,000 in different forms, in different ways, as a full-time day trader. Now, you that is still trying to understand the market, wetin I go want make you do, you have a cent account that you have converted $10 that will be giving you 1,000 cents. 1,000 cents at $10. And we have a target of taking 1,000 cents every day, at least maybe 10,000, which is going to be equivalent to $100. Remember, this one is going to is meant for our rugged scalping strategy. I did it yesterday. Now, and you also have an account with another broker, that particular account. How much you say you put for them? $14. So $14. So that particular $14 where they there. So I'm also going to use it to teach you how to trade it consistently. That means if you are able to make $1 profit in your $14, that means you are actually doing well today. If you make $2 profit, you are doing well. But at the end of the month of June, I don't want this account to get blown. But this one will blow. Why? Now, we are going to be repeating the scalping strategy from this class every single day in a way that sometimes we feel make above our target, and sometimes we feel reach our target, and sometimes it feel blow, but not $10. So we go come out from where we go already from withdraw. Now, if we end today, maybe from that 1,000, it cost maybe 1,500 or 2,000, or withdraw wetin dey on top. So yes, so every day on this particular account, we are starting with this one. Now na $10. So the same thing I want to do from there, and I have different accounts also. But before then also, the strategy that I will be teaching you from this particular class is called price action. Like I said, that thing that you told me the other time is not a strategy. So we are teaching price action strategy. Now, the strategy no be really wetin dey give you money as a trader. Strategy doesn't give you one penny. Strategy no dey give money. What the strategy dey do, e dey help you understand the formation of the market, to be able to read the formation of this market, to know when to buy and when to sell. So it dey different from how to make money from the Forex market. Na different entirely. How to make money from the Forex market, now we are trying to apply a logic that we have in the month of June on how we want to be able to make money in the Forex market this month of June. But it is different entirely when it comes to price action. So now, what is price action? Price action, like I said, like I just explained in our normal language now, price action is understanding the candlesticks information. Why are the right time for board like this? Because once I see them start to trade, I will be referring to this, understanding candlesticks information. So, Mama, let me add, because we're not the beginner, I will not be teaching you all those things. What is pips? What is level? I will not be teaching all of that. You should know what is pips already, because we're not a pure beginner. So we are going to be diving into the things that you need to be trading and also to be learning. Now, if you understand that price action is understanding the candlesticks information, you know, say those candlesticks now be the prices. Are you so aware of that? Now, anytime the market go up, you always the predict candlesticks. So those candlesticks now be the prices. So that the strategy that you are learning is called price action. That means you are trying to read the action of the prices to determine or to predict what the market will do next. So before you will be able to do that, to be able to predict rightly, you need to learn the language of the market itself. So now what we want to do this morning, now what I want to teach you today, then tomorrow we end up to the next one. So for you to be able to read the market as a price action trader, you need to learn the language of the forex market, and the language of the forex market is called market structure. If you come here next year and the same thing you cause say I see the teach and we see the use and the trade, because if it's not working, we don't come out there. Now, what is market structure? Market structure is the traditional. I just put traditional shout so that it will just be understandable. Traditional price movement, traditional way, or let me say traditional price movement. But I will explain now in a way where we will fit to understand now from both. Now, if we say that price action strategy is understanding the candlesticks information, and before you will be able to understand the information of the candlestick, I'm not telling you that you need to learn the language of the forex market, and the language of the chart is called market structure. So now, what then is market structure? Yesterday on that particular live study section, we made money not by luck, not by doing try your luck. Mama, we were there. Now, the market actually sold, e sell well well. The moment it drop, I know say people wey be dey sell, they go make better millions, and people wey be dey buy, their account go don blow. But we implement the orientation, the market structure orientation, which is, let me take you guys back to that particular place exactly yesterday. Now here, you see, when this market drop like this massively yesterday, many people go think say na so e go take dey run dey go down, but price they know they just dey move, you know, just dey waka like that. No be so e be. Whenever you have something like this, you need to understand say market has broken a structure here before all this massive sell wey happen for here before e come here. So it is very very important that price should go back there.
What they allow you to
20
14, sorry.
14 that which broker? XNES, okay. But should we already create that set account now? So mama, please let me quickly help you transfer that money to your XNES. You know, so you funded the essence account with that, so now you get 5,000 something cents here. That 5,000 should be around 50 something dollars now.
Yes.
And go back to your no be here to your excess. Mama, where you there? Okay, now the direct, now this you work for this now. Okay, yes. Since they allow you to go like that. Okay. So you see what it happens so now only the sent account, not the account where they there. Understand? Let me quickly create
They don't change
another account. Sure, that's fine. So this particular account, this particular trading account that you just created now, you can also still be trading with it, but I would just say you should leave it. But me, waiting as they use as my savings for my odd forex, now crypto. So me, whenever I make money, I transfer it into crypto wallet from this XNES, not outside XNES. So whenever I want to fund, I want to trade another account, I can just easily from there put them for inside. So now we want to do transfer of funds. Say transfer.
1,400. Because of that.
Yes. Now we take it. You see between your accounts. So we are going to be selecting that set account. You are transferring money from your set account to this your other account we just create now. So we are going to transfer 4,026. 4,026. I not allow you.
I tried this yesterday. I tried more. They are saying that it must be exactly that amount. It's only when you transfer that 5,000 something that I like.
I'm not supposed. It don't make sense like that for me.
But then with stop loss, I see the same thing.
No, I want you to. No, it's still the same thing, but I want you to separate this money. There's something that you need to understand. I really need to.
It's like the account I do that later the same thing. Check.
I transfer that money. Just refresh. We open one again. I don't know whether I network they cause that thing. So I don't transfer that money to that standard account, but it never reflects. So whether make I check whether I feel from that standard. It should be me I be dey send $1 against student for them. I feel the X and the trade I feel transfer from my own wallet give you. And it went from my XAUUSD give person, give another XNET user. But this one your own, they don't call the XS app. Now I still want us to open. No, the XS I don't already come out and minimize them. I just want to refresh so that it will feel dey fresh. So in day dollars now. So let's see to transfer it again.
And this one called them.
So you see the logic where we come in. So now should be the set account already do MT5 for your phone.
Yes.
So now that $40 where dey for that major account, so just keep them as backup for now. So we are going to be using $10. Mama, now only you can get 1,400. So let's start. Now, as a day trader, I was trying to explain what market structure is to you because say you the beginner. Now, what is expected of you every single day as a trader, as someone who wants to trade? You know, say I don't talk something now before. It is not for you to just be inside the market. No, no be who stay long pass for the market. No be really they make money pass for the market. If you observe people when they make money for this market, no, they really stay long. They fit just come, use a bigger lot size, take the trade, take 20 pips, and they are off of the market for that day. They will come back again tomorrow. Why? Because they have money to use bigger lot size, and they already have an edge. They get something where they give them clarity either to buy or to sell. So for me, in the forex market, you should already suppose know say the only thing where dey happen here na buying and selling. So it's either the market dey buy or the market dey sell. So if the market dey buy, this guy, he should not say that I'm not sending request to, I'm still here now, I never still join. So firstly, how we go take dey do our analysis, mama? See, there's something called market structure, which happens to be the language of the forex market. And market structure, like I said earlier, is the traditional movement, the traditional way where price dey move. Like e get pattern when market dey move. So in your business that you do outside this forex, you that business have a structure. You get the way to dey do your business. Even if say na cassava you dey go buy before you carry go market go resell, that is a structure of that your business. You need to go to that market wey for dey buy, go buy am, or go sell am for you to be able to make profit. So na language of your business na be that. So in the forex market, this market get wetin e dey always do as the trading market, and we dey call am market structure. So wetin be market structure now from wetin we dey see for our screen? Not more of theory, but showing it directly from the screen. You see, in the forex market, it's either buyers are in charge or sellers are in charge. So that those are the two trends that we have, which is the uptrend and the downtrend. So if it be say sellers dey in charge, that means the market go dey downtrend. Mama, are you aware?
Yeah.
Now, from my screen right here, what we are seeing here right now, for example, you can see that which kind of trend it is. Which people dey in charge?
Sellers.
But did you know that even while you know that sellers are the one in charge in this particular downtrend, but we still have some buyers in between the sellers. So now those buyers that we have in between sellers are not mistakes. Now we dey call market structure, which is how market dey react. When the price be dey here, this price was around 4,006 something, but e set e reach 4,004, even pass that 4,004 now. But we still get some buys in between. So you go see the market go always sell, it go do pullback. So those green where they there, so we dey call them pullbacks. I believe you know already, abi. So after every pullback, according to market structure, for you to be sure that sellers are still in charge, wetin the market suppose do? Based on say na sell, na downtrend, e suppose make sure say e break below here to form a lower low. You see say here go down pass this year. So before after the market do pullback, that pullback say be just like say e go gather power so that we will be able to go more further. Now e go come continue the sell, e come break this particular place where we get this red and green to form a lower support zone. So as far as here is lower than here, is a structure already. Then the market have to do pullback. Now you see the issue of whenever you see price selling, you just want to jump inside the sell. That is very, very wrong. That is not how to trade. If you see price selling, you've already missed out from the sell point, because the only place that is valid for you to sell in any market is at a resistance zone. So for instance, as this market sell come here, you don't already miss the sell for it, because now people enter sell and then make it drop. When you consider say they do pullback, now here you feel for enter another sell, because here now resistance again. Then it can continue the sell, it break below here to form when it forms this particular support, it pull back, it continues, it break below this particular support to form a new support here. Now price needs to pull back again. It continue the sell again, it break this particular support to form another support right here. Now price needs to do pull back again, then it continue the sell, break the support. This one also, now double bottom, but finally later break out to form a new support here. Then it pull back. So you see this strategy, you see this like patterns of how market they move. Now we be waiting with the call market structure. Now, waiting with the structure, go. You see, in this market now, this first question when I asked you, and you said that now downtrend, which you are right. But you see, then and I said that even in a downtrend, you can see some bias in between them. Let's try to point out structure so that anytime you want to mark, if you do your analysis for your house with your laptop, we mark structures. For instance, when this market buy with momentum like this, the moment it buy reach here, it was not able to buy above there. So there we call it resistance, shall we? Now, with the marker, what with the marker, it is not for decoration. We are marking it so that the market will they buy, they come before. Now, when it buy reach here, we can observe say no fit buy pass here. So we are going to mark it because if market will be there uptrend, if we do this, make it continue the buy, can't go break above here. Price breaking above there will be your validation that yes, buyers are still the one in charge. But whenever you see price form a resistance and has not been able to break it, you need to understand, say there is an information there. You might not know it, but just try to understand it. Now, what is the information? According to the strategy that we are teaching, which is called price action, and I said price action is understanding the candlesticks information. That means behind every candlestick here, there is an information. Now, before you can decode that information, I said you need to learn the language of the market, and it is called market structure. Now, market structure, now the way the market react, the way the market work out, that's what I just drawn now. So now, if I can ask again, what is the structure? So that we go familiar with our eyes. Structure now place where we forget green candle and red candle. If we are talking about structure now place where we get. Okay, do you see my stylus pen? Now, structure now place where they for make decision. Anywhere we have a green candle and a red candle. So let's not use the word green candle, but just where we have buyers and sellers. Because I can change my color. Now, you see, when the market do this particular sell, based on saying now up to the day before, this particular sell, waiting with the colors at that time now pull back. Because we go say make it just do the pull back, make it continue the buy, can't go break above here. But you observe say when it come with the sell, it sell which no fit sell pass sell, it comes out to the buy. There also so now structure. So we dey always mark them. Now that is before all these other candles. So now here we dey now. This big candle now there we dey now. Let me go back here. You see, when this market be day uptrend, they buy like this. With the momentum, say buyers were in charge. You say market it buy reach here. But you know if you buy pass a coffee sell. Here we call it resistance, and there is a structure there. Now, when the market be the sell, which originally we are going to consider it as pullback before the continuation of the buy. But because he sell reach here, he sell the next candle open, he still sell again. But the next candle come open, you know if he continue the sell, come first buy. Now here, this red candle and this green candle, we dey call them structure again. Now this structure, so like I said, what where therefore place where therefore make decision. So buyers were in charge, but unfortunately, when the buyers take price reach there was a transaction occur in the liquidity market that push sellers inside the market. Now make the market they come down. I don't know. God should just help me with the language that I will use so that everybody will understand what I'm trying to pass. Now, after you understand that this is a structure, I will that so those candlesticks never close. Why would they always mark them now? We say, if you call eventually, maybe you see say after the pullback, it can't go sell, which it do. It can't break here. It's giving you some sign of reversal already, which means why I said it is giving the signs of reversal is this. So, Mama, the only thing that happens in the forex market is buying and selling. It's either the market is buying or the market is selling, and also it's either buyers are the ones in charge or sellers are the ones in charge. Now, if sellers are the ones in charge, we are supposed to be seeing something like this. The market will sell, it will do pullback, it will continue to sell like this, break this particular support zone to form a new one, do another pullback again, continue to sell, break this particular one to form a new one. As far as the market they do like this, it means that sellers are the ones in charge. So irrespective of the buy where they happen inside, so those buys so now we they call pullbacks. So now, the moment you see say After the market form resistance, we mark am, we come go form support, we mark am. Then you come see say later the market it break below this particular support, it do another pullback. Then after the pullback, it continue the sell again, breaking this particular support to form another support again. That is market giving you clear market structure. Now, so this market is in a new direction. Now, market structure is something that we are going to be talking about every day. There is no analysis. I can never come online without mentioning market structure and try to explain it so that everybody eyes go open. So now, for the course of 1 o'clock, when we soon open now, let's do what you are supposed to do as a day trader before you place your trade every day. Now, this market we are not supposed to come here to come and lose our peace. I understand that is one of the major problems that traders have, which is whenever they execute a trade, they will automatically lose their peace to the market. Their mind, because their heartbeat before they go faster. Why? Because they are trading with money. So to avoid that first, you need to have an edge, and you need to have a way where they approach this market every single day. And the first step, what will you take? We say, make sure you understand the original direction of whatever pair that you are going to be trading, which is technical analysis. Now, you might have been hearing technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and all of that, but what exactly is that technical and fundamental analysis? Technical analysis is you reading the chart to know, number one, to know the people that are in charge. Number two, to know the if market will buy now or market will sell now, to market structure. You understand? So now, in a day, you cannot place your first trade without doing something called top-down analysis, top-down technical analysis. So let's quickly do, in the next 10 minutes, let's do a quick top-down technical analysis on gold before we do the fundamentals. Then we can now decide to place a trade if there is opportunity for us. So as a day trader, this is what we are going to be doing. The people on Telegram, if you can hear me, please unmute yourself and confirm. And if you can see my screen, please kindly unmute and confirm me. And if you always have any question, always ask me, unmute and always ask. Can you guys hear me on Telegram?
Yes, I can hear you. Good afternoon, coach.
Good afternoon. Can you see my screen, sir?
Yes, I can see your screen.
All right. So now, every single day as a day trader, like I said earlier, what are you supposed to do every single day? You are supposed to make sure you do both of fundamental analysis and, most importantly, fundamentals and also technical analysis. So the technical analysis is what we are going to start with first. So when doing technical analysis, the most important thing that you are supposed to do as a day trader is to do top-down analysis. Don't start your analysis from this time frame where we did so. It is an error. Yes, you cannot be analyzing market on 15 minutes time frame and be using it to place a trade. You are not a trader if you are doing that. Now, what do you need to do? Do what is called top-down analysis, at least starting it from the daily time frame. So, when we open a daily chart, what are we here for on this daily time frame? What is our business here? What to carry us come this daily time frame? Let me quickly give you how to do analysis and how to do your top-down analysis and how you go to ask yourself questions and also answering those questions. Now, if you observe on a daily time frame, when you open them as someone that want to do your top-down analysis every day, the first way we need to check now, which trend day, because I don't really talk about, so we only have two trends. It's either the market day downtrend or the market day uptrend or the market day consolidate. So the first question where you go ask yourself as a day trader and also answer is, which people are in charge of this particular pair that I am trading now? Gold, which people they in charge? Which people they control? Is it bullish or bearish? Now let's try to see. So after you ask yourself the question, you will go analyze the chart using market structure. Number one, gold was actually bullish for like 3 years. Ending 2023, now market come up for one particular resistance zone that be resisting it on the monthly time frame. Now, last year, this market it buy reached around 5,006. This was the thing where giving the even that stuff last year. Now, ever since market formed this particular resistance, it has not been able to break over it. It gets with it cause out. So anytime you do your analysis, what you try to do is say you use those tools. You see the reason why I said you would need laptop, so because you will be doing analysis on TradingView and you need all of those tools. So now the market was actually trending, but ever since price formed this particular resistance, the market has not been able to break above that resistance. There is something there. Now, the market caused massive sell, which was a pullback. This is still daily time frame. It can't do rising edge. You see this particular rising edge? It's supposed to cause market to break above this resistance and continue the buy, because that was also a clean short-time trend. I think we don't do this analysis unless time, because I remember that time when we did that time when this thing happen. You see, and make time. See, watch. You do your top-down analysis. Why they do all of these things? I'm supposed to start from here, but I am starting from here so that you will feel understand what we do. Now you are doing all of this so that you will not be confused. You will be so sure of the people that are in charge. Now, so that is why I mark out the higher resistance when they on this daily time frame. And ever since the market formed that higher resistance, has not been able to break above it. Then after the pullback, you observe say the market start to buy towards that side, and it was actually doing market structure. It go buy, it go sell, which is pullback, continue the buy, break above here, form here. It will sell again, which is pull back, continue the buy, break above here, form here, it will pull back again, continue the buy, break above here, form here. Now, the moment market break here to form here and it cut test down that resistance, market gave us a very, very strong information. So this is where what you paid for in this mentorship, this is where the knowledge comes from. This is where it comes in now, which is why doing the analysis like this? And you see the market, the moment it reach that resistance, they reject the price, and the next candle, you see again name. Can you guess? It has a name. This candlestick has a name. Can you guess it?
Yeah.
Can you just mama your feet now? You don't know this particular candle. Can you guess it? Yes. But we are not sure, but it is called a bearish engulfing. Yes, it is very, very clear. Now, bearish engulfing is an edge to many traders. Whenever we see it, we know that the market is about to go down. If we see bearish, but if we see bullish, like what we told make money yesterday, now what we call tweezer bottom. I spotted it on time, and I was so sure that gold is going to buy after that massive sell. Why many people were still selling? Because on that particular TikTok live stream, many people were telling people to sell, to click their bio for a gold signal sell and put your TP there. But we saw an edge, which was a clear reversal pattern to me. And the reversal pattern doesn't mean the buy will go far, but it has to do a pullback. And when they trade with small money, you can actually take advantage of that because you have seen your edge, which is you have seen something that you know. So a golfing now is something that you know. So don't just, why I said is like you were guessing. If you know them, you don't know them. So I want you, sir, I want you, ma, for this thing to sink in. It's an edge. Whenever we see an engulfing, as a trader, you are not supposed just to know the name as engulfing. You're supposed to know the information that the engulfing carries. So a bearish engulfing like this takes price down. So you observe that the moment the market formed the bearish engulfing, now there's a secret that I'll be revealing since last year, which is the 50% retracement of every engulfing. Market, they always go and verify. It's still done yesterday. Now, anytime you see an engulfing, don't just jump inside the trade when it is down. Don't make that mistake, except you're a beginner. Whenever price form an engulfing, either bullish or bearish engulfing, 90% of the time, the market always have a way of doing 50%, at least 50% of waiting to do that engulfing before it continue that direction. Yes. Whenever the market give you now, this is a bearish engulfing. It applies to both bearish engulfing and bullish engulfing. Whenever you see an engulfing, go and do the backtesting. The market will always at least do 50% of it before the continuation of that direction. So beginners, the moment they saw an engulfing, they will be happy. They will be thinking that is how the market will keep running, and they will start jumping inside from here. So now the end, most of the years, they go first chop their stop loss, do all of that pullback before it continues. So that one, I want you to write it down as an edge. What do I mean by this edge when I talk about? I don't want to be using all those things. See, what do I mean by this edge? We say, you want to become a major full-time forex trader, a successful trader. A successful trader doesn't really need grammar, all those vocabularies that people speak. This market is very, very simple. It's either buyers are in charge or sellers are in charge. And it's either the market is buying or selling. On that your account, now even if you close your eyes, you can click on, you can mistakenly click on sell. If you open your eyes and the market will go down, you will see profit. But that doesn't make you a professional trader. That doesn't make you a profitable trader. You only want that particular trade as try your luck. So now, for an edge is something that you know and you've back tested over the years, and you see that okay, this particular thing on a scale of 1 to 10, at least 7 or 6.5, it they always dey my way. So if you get am, keep am for your trading portfolio. If you learn another one again, keep am there. So anytime you come to the market and you are doing your analysis, those things now you go dey look for. So those traps now you dey look for as a day trader. So whenever you come to the market, you should not be reacting to all those noise where they are put for lower time frame, especially 1 minute. You know the way they move. So many beginners are reacting to all of this move, despising the fact that for them to make money and consistently remain so, they need a simple edge. They need something where we say the thing they always give them money, but it's not going to be 100%. The market fit do this engulfing, make it still later volatile go break above am. But you need to understand that majority of the time it go enter, and why it dey violate am be same. Let me now tell you the reason why it dey always violate am for lower time frame anytime we dey trade. You see, the higher time frame controls the lower time frame. Yesterday we were trading gold live on YouTube and TikTok. The moment we spot the tweezer bottom, that is my edge. I've been trading with that particular tweezer bottom, not be today now. So I know say it is time for the market to do major pullback and we have to buy. I enter the buy, the market effect comot, I close, the account dey 800 and something. Then when it do pullback, I enter again, the market do major pullback of that particular engulfing, come to that same support again. It give me better losses, carry us back to 402. Now, based on say I mark the support, because now while trading, after you must have gotten your edge, you will also need to have an escape route. What do I mean by that? In this market, it's either market day, is either we dey uptrend like this, or we dey downtrend like this. Now, if we dey uptrend like this, as this market, let's assume it reverse with a double bottom. It's a reversal pattern too. Then the market can go break above this resistance to form a new resistance. Then it pulls back. So as a trader, now here you go for enter your buy, because we have a reversal pattern here called double bottom. Then when the market continue, it can go break above here to form a new resistance. It will be a profit. But do you know that market fit still sell back to your entry before it continue another buy? We call it major pullback. Now, anytime you do such analysis, maybe you be the buy and it dey go your way, you can say okay, market come do major pullback, that means it don't give you stop loss. You might have hitting your stop loss or blow your account. But always take note of where it go test. If it be say it break below that particular place where we forget that reversal pattern, your buy analysis has been violated. Don't assume that the market will buy. Instead, just follow the information that the market is currently giving, which is, as at now, the market has broken this support. Me telling you that sellers are still struggling in charge. So you ride on the trend of the market makers. Don't try to do your thing. Then you will not be expecting the market to align itself with you. Because now one of the challenges that we have as traders, maybe that almost every forex trader has that challenge, which is we go make one mistake, we go call the expert, make the market align itself with our mistake, because we know how to take the loss, and it is very, very bad. So now, going back to the top-down analysis, then I observe that the market gave us an engulfing, then it now do the 50% retracement of the engulfing, which we know also. Then it continue the sell, it can't break here. Now, if you observe why the market was doing all of this rising edge, we've marked this place already. We call it rising edge. Then the market break out from it, test and continue the sell. You see, I'm going to mark that same place like this on the daily time frame. Because now, you see, after this massive drop, we drop, there is no how after this kind of drop for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for 7 days straight sell, that the market will not do pullback to cover all of this gap. Now normal market structure it be. So market don't do the pullback, and after you do the pullback, now here if you continue the sell again. So when you waiting to take continue the sell here again, remember the first place for this particular first sell when it start, it reversed with an engulfing candle. But now after this other pullback where the market do for here right now, waiting to take continue the sell again. Can you guess the information that we have here?
The decision candle.
No.
Okay, the engulfing candle.
No, sorry, let me not explain to you. But I really want you to understand something here. The market be there uptrend before. It formed resistance. Then it did a major pullback. Then it got do rising wedge like this. And from here, it got give us a bearish engulfing to continue the sell because it shows that the market is actually reversing downtrend. Then he actually used it to reverse. It after a break, the support, he pull back there, then continue the sell. Then he got do 7 days massive sell. Now we know say according to market structure, after something like this, the market will pull back. So market do the pullback. Then now the market don't continue the sell back based on this particular reversal pattern. But where if we continue to the sell after this pullback, there is an information there. So it is your responsibility as a trader. Why do you analysis to make sure you understand the information? So what is the information now? Somebody can answer us from a Telegram. I see you want to talk before. Sorry.
You said double bottom.
I'll be Twitter bottom, I'll be Twitter top.
Okay, Twitter top.
When we Twitter top, you don't even know. What did they do now? Double top. you understand? So and I want to whether you just sure of what they talk now. So let me talk another to make I listen to what you want to do. So here, what to make why would they call a double top? Let's quickly do a quick explanation. Sir, man, why would they do all of this? I'm going to say you're the beginner. And they try to explain them first for today. Then we will later, the trading will later follow in a later run when we have that good edge. But I need you to at least let your eyes be open to some of the things that we are doing for now. Then as time goes on, you will be opening more and more. Understand? So now, when the market do this particular buy, which was a pullback, you see, say as the buy reach here, it do pullback, which is small sell. Instead of to come break above here to continue buy after it formed this resistance, after the sell, instead of to come break above here, you start say you try penetrating it, but they rejected it. They see the pin buy here. They reject and then it can go close as the same with the previous buy candle with the previous structure. So we they call them double top. So mama see, and every other person who listening to us on YouTube or TikTok or on Telegram, based on say we see double top here, no me say that double top never almost form. Now, no be double top form for here. What if for here now bearish engulfing? Now for here, double top nine form. You first see now maybe after another buy, we won't continue the sell again, make it give you what they call inverted hammer. So in the forex market, we have all manner of candlesticks. So it is your responsibility, and those candlesticks are what is telling us the information where the market take close. So that is why it is 100% that everybody that is coming into the trading industry learn about the names and meaning of those candlesticks because they carry vital information. Now, based on say we are currently seeing double top, doesn't mean that the next set of double top now will form. So if it form what they call head and shoulder pattern, if it form head and cup, if it form anything at all, twister bottom, spiny bottom, morning star, daily shooting star, they too plenty. But if it form, did you know it? So that should be another thing we should always be asking ourselves, and because of that, we should be more dedicated in learning patiently about those candlesticks, because every candlestick that closes with an information. Why am I looking for sell today? Once you say I closed that buy a profit, that buy was not even meant to be. Now just small scalp and I be. But now sell I be my analysis. I've already done this analysis today before I go sleep. I go sleep today around 4 o'clock. Now, My analysis was that yesterday candle, because everybody can see that we still have a reversal pattern here when make the market reverse to that. That means currently now sellers they in charge of gold. Though. The market they downtrend of gold. Look at it, it's still there very, very clear. Sellers are still in charge on XAUUSD. So if you are looking for opportunity, you should be looking for sell opportunity as at now, beginning from the daily time frame below. So now our daily time frame is our daily analysis today is yesterday candlestick after the buy where the market do on Thursday and Friday. Yesterday candlestick gave us something called a engulfing continuation pattern. Now this engulfing, mama, I really want me to understand that engulfing means in a when you see say market will be the buy, the next time will come open, the call set to in a way that it swallow the previous price. The body is bigger than the previous body. We call it engulfing. And what does an engulfing do? It takes price either down or up. The information that this particular place carries is that the market sellers were in charge of the market before the market closed yesterday. But now here comes another thing. Today, all through the Asia section in the night and all through the London section where we open by 8 a.m., the market has been buying. Now, are you going to execute a buy trade? Because we are going to be trading in the next few minutes now. You don't already open this 108 already. So New York market don't open now. So in this New York market, I cannot be buying gold until I see that price has broken above here on a daily time frame and has confirmed a buy signal for me. So what am I going to be doing? Because say yesterday candle closed as a bearish engulfing, and today the previous section don't buy go up. I go down to lower time frame to see if the buy wey happen for my back overnight and early this morning, whether it is capable of making the daily time frame to close above here. Remember, the higher time frame controls the lower time frame. So on this particular daily time frame now here, because now here we get the coffee put. And today candle, it don't buy come test that same resistance, but they are currently rejecting it now. So your job now as a day trader is you are trying to decode why they reject them. Is the rejection going to continue until they finally empty the candle and continue the sell? Based on say we still get a double top here where the market go down, the market still dey downtrend. So the question is, the buy where they already happen overnight and the buy where they already happen early this morning, is it going to continue the buy and break above this daily resistance on a daily time frame and continue the buy, or they go feel reject them as they do already, they reject them too until break below here, maybe targeting this particular support. So you are not going to know if you are still on daily time frame. So that is what will take us to the lower time frame. Now, by the time as we are going to the lower time frame, we are going to the next available lower time frame. That happens to be 4 hours. Now, when we open the 4 hours time frame, what do we look for? What do you want to check? What do you want to know? You see, all yesterday candle start from here. Now 6 candles every day on 4 hours time frame. So yesterday, Monday, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe yesterday candle. Then between 11 p.m. yesterday night and this morning, this market don't do small sell, continue the buy, and the day here now after hitting a resistance zone. So what are we going to do here on this 4 hours time frame? We are going to check if, according to what the market all do during the Asia section and the early London section, if you go get power to take close above this resistance, because this resistance, so by the time you go to your daily time frame, you go to say, there another resistance support now it be. What I will do next? You see, I will quickly do cover where the price dey like this. And the secret one I go use now na evidence.
I'm telling you, all your parents, all your friends, all your everybody.
So now, this market went up buy come here. Something fair happen yesterday. All of this sell wey happen yesterday, market need to do the pullback normally. So it don't do buy go up, and they are currently rejecting it now from here. I really want to see what is causing the rejection. Why you no go fit still make decision with these 4 hours is this market can decide to come and break this resistance and continue the buy. Mama, did you know that?
Yes.
But for me, who doesn't have a preferred direction, if this market go buy, I won't follow and buy. If this market go sell, I won't follow and sell. But on the daily time frame, this market is supposed to sell according to yesterday's information. Now, For me to be sure that the market is going to sell, you see, from where they start to the rejector from, so where this particular pin bar there must be an information there on the lower time frame that is currently causing this small sell that you are seeing. So, and I never see the information. So we are going to look for the information together. And what will be the information? What does the information look like? The information that I'm talking about is for you to see that on daily time frame, they are currently rejected daily. Hope you remember now. Let me do it again. This is today candle. So as it don't buy reach this particular resistance, they can start to the rejector. So me and you now, what we try to say, we just try check whether this rejection they go through. You know, say it happen, they reject this market until the empty finish, you something like this. So if you say they go reject and finish, that means we should be looking for sell today. And now when we do enter New York session. So now for me to be sure, that means from where the start to reject them to, I need to see a clear bearish reversal pattern on lower time frame. So we don't check 4 hours, we don't see. Now let's open 1 hour time frame. What are we doing? What we are doing is called top-down analysis. We are doing it so that once we see or once we have a clear edge, we will take advantage of that edge to make money from the forex market and get out from it. So on my 1 hour, I have a very clear setup right now that I will just wait for a few minutes for confirmation, then I take my trade. What is that? You see, market all that sell where I put yesterday, now be all this move. Now after the sell don't happen, because he said the market break out from here, this particular trend line, then it pulls back and test the trend line, then it continues, it can't go break here, day here. So technically, price is supposed to come back to this place. I am not arguing whether this market will buy or no go buy, but for now, with this particular information that I'm seeing here, and with the information that the market has given previously, we have what is called fair value gap here. So the market is supposed to correct the fair value gap, then continue the buy. That is something like from where then I make it sell, come back to this place and continue the buy. Now, did you know you who is a day trader, between here and here, you've made thousands of dollars if you are trading a very reasonable account. Because not be small pips, it be between here and here on 1 hour time frame. So without what you want to do now before we make that decision, I'm already seeing a reversal pattern here called a missed double top. Missed double top is something is just the same as double top. It takes price down, but it has not been established because before we can say yes, the market has reversed with a reversal pattern called missed double top, price need to break below here on this 1 hour time frame and close with a red candle. Once we see price below here now, because here is also a structure. Mama, I was trying to place structure for you a few minutes ago, and I said structure now place it where for make decision. Market was selling, but the moment it's selling, you know if it's sell, but the first start to the buy. So so there's an information, there's structure there because now their money for changer, now therefore make 1 or 2 decisions where cause the buy. Then you call the buy, you call buy reach here, if you buy pass it, cause actually say. Then I call the tell you say here now, I'm currently seeing what is called missed double top, and this means double top the current market go down. And me, based on say my daily time frame is already pointing to me that today is supposed to sell. It's supposed to close as a sell candle, despite the fact that you don't buy overnight. It's supposed to close as a sell candle. So the lower time frame now I want to check my confirmation so that I will know where I will enter the sell from. Then I will still go lower. TikTok, why? You don't check that you know. Okay, now inactivity will be. They always drop. Crane, can you bring an extension inside? Like this extension, I don't know if maybe you know the work or maybe 1 or 2 things. The trade when and it's going to be a straightforward trade, and then we just take and use our we'll still use our those capital on some account. Craig, we feel leave am o.
So what of all this overbought? So
That's your ROSI. I go explain, but though I don't use ROSI. I don't use divergence, but I understand it very well, and I will explain to you how those divergence were to teach. If I can go back, connect it back. When I go explain that oversold and overbought, it's a device, it's an indicator tool where there are MT5. I go use that a something to do, but I don't use them. The reason why I don't use them is those indicators were actually programmed by what you now called the naked forex. So if you understand what I'm doing now, you will not be needing any indicator to test in your chart, because all those ones are programmed, they program the information that I'm giving you now into those stuff. Now, when you see say market already give us this particular missed double top, and I said I will be looking for quick opportunity to know, because I know go fit wait in the next close to 30 something minutes where this 1 hour candle will close to see whether it go fit close below. So I go want know whether it get power to go down. So I go step out down to another lower time frame. I fit come go check 10 minutes time frame. So on 30 minutes time frame, the market is actually also gathering momentum to sell already. Now, 30 minutes time frame has already given me a reversal. Let me explain it very, very clearly. Now, when the market be the buy, sir, are we still together on Telegram?
I'm following you, coach.
All right. Now, when this market be buy like this, as a buy reach here, because now here you don't buy, you never buy pass it. Now, remember, I tell you, say, your responsibility is always to look to understand the information of every structure. Now, what the analysis be that, technical analysis be that. If you do analysis, now where market for turn, the market will be buy before, and because you say you don't feel buy pass here, check what they happen there. There must be an information that is making price not to pass there. So this particular price, where this particular place, no market don't buy reach, we have a bearish reversal pattern there, and it is called inverted hammer. Inverted hammer. So even in this little analysis, technical analysis we don't do now, we don't see different reversal patterns. So you say the work of Forex not only there is it. That means you need to learn about those candlesticks. So this particular candlestick, it is called inverted hammer, like hammer where they turn upside down, and if they carry price, they go down. It's a reversal pattern. So I will quickly mark that particular resistance. Why am I marking this particular resistance? It's not for decoration. I am marking this place should the case, as I am trading now, maybe market call it my stop loss, and after hitting my stop loss, it closed above this resistance with a green candle. All of my buyers that this market is supposed to sell has been violated. That means this market wants to continue that rugged buy. What I need to do, instead of now revenging, I just need to work with what the market has presented by following to buy. So that is what I mean by after once I got to your edge, also make sure you have your escape plan at all times. So right now, on 15 minutes time frame, I have a reversal pattern here that can take this market down, that can confirm itself to me. And now I will also be marking this particular support right here, because there will be the confirmation that yes, the market is going to sell, which is once I see price below here, test it, it's going to come down to this place, even to this particular support right here. Let me now refresh the signal and how I go take drop am now for group. If we don't already mark here, you see as this thing looks simple. So So what you call the look for now? Now make one happen.
Yeah.
Which is what will be the thing? What will be the thing where we dey wait make it happen?
Whether you break or break.
A breakdown, you understand? So when you do them like this, I swear to God, you will not be emotionally attached. Number two, you no go feel say you will just patiently wait for. So if this market now successfully breaks above, that means it has violated that particular analysis that will be anticipated to happen on daily. And once it break below, in all of my power, I know say this market will sell with this particular support. So I go fit take any sell trade from the pullback, then put my stop loss above here, make it target to this place. That is on 30 minutes. So we are still going lower. Yes, we are still going to a lower time frame, and this time around we are still going to check 15 minutes time frame. Why? 15 minutes time frame will close, even the 30 minutes time frame will close in the next 7 minutes. So before that 7 minutes, let's see if we have some information say how this market will sell. I have on 15 minutes, I have. You might not be seeing it, but let me show you what I am seeing. That thing that looks like an inverted amount on 30 minutes, on 15 minutes, it is an engulfing candle, a bearish engulfing candle. And the market has somehow been doing something like small trending down. This is a falling edge already. How you understand? So here on 15 minutes, So here like this, on this carries huge information for me. This market is already stepping down somehow on 15 minutes already with a reversal pattern called bearish engulfing. Now, you see, what we call the try do so. We are trying to use the lower time frame to confirm what we anticipate what that daily do. So that is why I said it is very, very important that you understand the overall trend, the overall which is that daily. That daily, why it be like that? We say, do you know that after all the ups are down, on this particular daily time frame, at the end of today, this particular candle, it goes suppose close as according to market structure, which is according to market structure. After this buy weather, they're supposed to reject and make even close the second candle to this particular support zone. That is just the truth according to this particular technical analysis on daily time frame on gold. Now, if it be say it will violate this one because say market one reverse, which means market market will reverse anytime, then it has to break above this particular resistance right here on lower time frame. So that is why we have that structure marked on 30 minutes time frame. We have the resistance and a support structure marked on 30 minutes time frame that will serve as our confirmation for a very good entry for us to make money. So when you learn to do analysis like this, it no matter whether you will take 1 million trade. People they trade now, we say they are currently running at loss. So that is why I said it is not about plenty trade you take or who first enter first. No, we are waiting for something to happen. Once the thing happen, that thing is eventually going to confirm something to us. You see, with this particular account, no, now based on that buy when I take, now make it day 1,000. As at yes, we waiting I take closer from that $100, from that $100 now 1,000, and make that now that something yesterday. Understand? That's why I say I can make losses. So I see make I'm still kind of go down 1,000. So now I'm going to start today with this 1,001, 1,173, and the target is to take it to 10,000. So how much am I using? What is my lot size? Is a set lot size 0.05.
0.05.
And I don't open one trade. I open like 4-5 trades.
Cents or what?
Cents now on this particular set challenge account.
Okay.
Then on that your standard account, you know it's $40, it's just 0.01.
Okay.
Yes, that's what I'm using.
Okay, I can trade it also.
But you no go trade that today because the only phone you get now. Now when you don't bring your laptop, I don't tell you say see another account for here. Now another account with this. I feel see open another account now. So if I dey trade 1 million account, I go open different MT5 for years. So it go dey easy for me to quickly come to the MT5, go trade the trade, enter the another one. But you know go dey easy like that for you. So gold on 30 minutes time frame, we are expecting because I have a super edge for the sell. That make me I take the sell from inside. I have a super edge for this market for go to sell. So I have to take that sell from inside, then put my stop loss at the top here. So in all of my analysis where we don't analyze there this morning, wetin I want make the market do more na the sell. Now be my top down technical analysis on XAUUSD. Yes, today and for now. Yes, in this new session we dey trade so I'm expecting. You see, I know me I don already enter am. Sir, I enter just two. So now, see what I do. So let me copy that price. That is yes.
Oh, yeah, oh, yeah.
Yes, wait first. Wait first. You get wait, I will tell you something now. See. On a set account that we are taking to 10,000, 0.05 should be the minimum. At least if you are open to open like 2, 3. Yeah, 0.05 on that particular cent account, not on all those other standard accounts, on cent account. Now 0.05 is what we are going to be using on the other particular account, and we can open like three trades.
We can enter selling.
Yes. Watch.
Okay.
If this market do another pullback for me now, I go enter that sell.
Okay.
Now let me now show you the stop loss.
This is
No, I know. She know. The people on Telegram, sir, are you still here? How about that your set account?
How much you go?
What happened to your account? No, Xness, the get price latency these days. So once we have that particular edge that we are waiting for now, I will execute.
Hello.
I can hear you.
I sent you the evidence. I was not even fine last week, but I did 2 days and I sent you the screenshot.
Okay, yes. Will I say I see am? Yes.
I'll be like you soon.
But how much the account holding now?
I think I sent you the
Because according to what you said from you, in total you executed 18 trades and you win 17. 18 trades and you win 17 and lose only 1. You do understand?
Yes.
I'm really happy. That is a very, very good news. So the market is actually trying to confirm our analysis now, so that we go people whenever enter the sell go fit enter. So me, I enter out from here. So if this kind of close below, should be we know so we go enter sell, because it's trying to confirm what to analyze now. It's currently penetrating the support. So it should be close below. What we will do now, we look for a pullback. Then from the pullback, we take the sell. Yes, now.
They don't do like a kind of pendulum.
Me? I don't do pendulum. And I start executing. I did the trade now. I see money now. I enter now. I enter 2. You know why? I tell you why I enter now. I said my overall major analysis based on I dey follow wetin I dey anticipate make e happen on daily. That daily, yesterday closed with a bullish engulfing, bearing engulfing continuation. So before we come off it today, we already buy, which happens to the pullback of that particular engulfing. So as I now when we say New York also we did, they suppose reject them. Hello? How are you there? All right. I'm in my office now. All right. All right. All right. All right.
So I want to be journaling my prayers.
Yes. Now, you see, journaling easy for you. How say we are waiting. We are so. I'm so confident. Below here is coming down to this particular support. Would you want to? Do you mind why I said I'm so confident?
Yes, of course.
Are you asking the question? Did they ask me why? Abi?
Yeah.
Let me show you. Make I open another trading view so that you will see something. But before then, I need you to understand, man, that this market respects the higher time frame more than the lower time frame. No matter what you say they happen. If they follow what they happen for higher time frame down, all those small shady things wey they see for lower time frame. So now, why I said this analysis wey we don already do now, except say you no understand the analysis wey we do. If e be say you follow up with the analysis carefully, you know say this will also make your journaling easier, which is if price should break below here, you know what you are anticipating and you know what you saw, that we have an engulfing here and the market has broken the major support zone. Engulfing is a reversal pattern that takes price from uptrend to downtrend. So what's price here is going to be the confirmation of this engulfing. It's going to be what will give us that morale that truly this market is going to sell. So what we see price below here, as we are journaling it, this is what is giving you the sell opportunity. Now, if price should break above here, now your journaling should be that the market already was actually trending up. So this is considered to be a pullback now. But was price break above here, was to see the pullback, take the buy trade and let it run. Now, you get where you take look me. You see, you get what we need make we understand. Say this market, the only thing that happen when I'm buying and selling.
Yes.
Another thing dey. So it's either you are buying or you are selling just to make money. So if you are selling, it is because you see something that another person might not be seeing. So I don't execute my last two trades, so I will not be able to execute another one. Now, I want to point to Mama. The reason why I said I am so confident that the market is supposed to go down, according to what you do analyze. And I said, first of all, you should take note that the higher time frame controls the lower time frame. Now, if you open your daily chart on gold, let's start from daily. What is the happen for daily for gold? Now daily time frame be this. What is this? And this thing is daily time frame. What are you seeing? Bearish direction, abi? Okay. Now, market break below a support zone here to form this last support. So you know say market structure must always play out. When market break here to form here, it did a pullback. Now, what did they give me morale? Be say when the market did a pullback, you know if it close above here, always take note of those things. All of those moves carries vital, great information that we all need to always learn and follow. See, after the market, it do this buy, market fit reverse anytime. But when you see say it come down resistance, then reject them like this, it dey tell you say sellers still get interest for the market. Then after the rejection, yesterday candle, because this was on Friday, yesterday candle caused this sell rapidly. So on this particular broker that we are using to analyze, so you will see say now it closed as a bearish engulfing yesterday candle. Now be this. Yesterday candle closed as a bearish engulfing continuation pattern. This particular, can you see it, man? Listen. So yesterday candle on daily time frame closed with an information called bearish engulfing. Now, we don't trade this thing more than countless times. After an engulfing, market supposed to do buy. Now, according to market structure now on this daily time frame, based on yesterday information, I'm anticipating today candle to come and close around this region, around this support zone here. That means I'm currently anticipating a rejection of this particular green body until we start seeing a red body. Now, it might not get to where I point out to directly, but that is my bias on gold on daily chart based on the information and based on what has been happening according to price action. Now, trying to understand if truly the market have the capacity of doing that. Can you see that I'm making 135? That the market have the capacity of doing exactly what we analyze. I said I am so sure that the same will happen is because when they start this particular buy no happen during New York market. Mama, see, then gold where we dey trade so na New York market e be. Gold they distribute in the afternoon during the New York session. Why? Because we are trading XAU, which is gold, versus USD. So now when the USD economy open, now this market go take do the distribution when they really want to do. So anything where the market do overnight, just use that take them as accumulation point and manipulation season. So during the New York session, which is the section of this gold, the market might want to distribute. And because it's a people where they buy, where they don't make money, they feel constantly lose money, they lose all the money to the market again. By this market, retracing back and respecting market structure. It don't happen countless times. So many people, you will be here for over a year now. You will see that sometimes you can make profit from money till level 12 a.m. 12 p.m. But once the New York market open, you go clear everything where you don't suffer make the money. Now, based on say you lack the understanding of trading section and what is causing gold to move more. What they cause the massive move of gold is Telegram. Can you guys still hear me? That noise they show say I'm no longer active. They said me in a city, we start to go. Now 10K, see, don't do another pullback for me. I'll go enter another one from there.
So what are we?
Yes, you coffee. You see, say you don't break structure here now. Now here now for supposed for enter because this is another pullback now. This is another entry. It means not when you finish. As they do the pullback, so execute the trade and pull your stop loss.
So we enter.
Yes.
So what is our stop loss here?
Enter the trade first.
Okay. One.
No. You will get 1,004. You go enter like 4 trades, yes, 0.05. Go to the one now, 1 naira you want to come out for here. This thing will be like a standard account. You know they work like that. You no need to fear, no need to just take out.
Zero 1,000.
You understand? So now make I introduce the set account now.
Yeah.
Because if you are trading with a $10, you know say small thing go will not blow. But if it's a set account, your $10 will give you 1,000 cents. You will get what kind of confidence, say you will feel that you will see say for you to come use the 1,000 cents, make another 1,000 will be so easy. Let's check now. Let's keep doing what we are doing. Three. Yes, 50. Yes, you understand that. You know. So let's go back to our trading view. Let's see a quick recap of this thing, whether it don't break below.
Okay, I don't give us stop loss.
Yes, I go give you the stop loss. I will give you the stop loss. You know what do we have?
TP.
That TP day for board.
This is the number.
Hello, coach.
Yes, I can hear you.
I can't see your screen. You see the name.
They come now network. So now momentum market now we call the trade. So say the market now don't move faster, abi? Yes, based on say na New York session. Now two you want to not when it go down. Don't do that. Oh. No, we don't enter market where the market is when you see that it's going down. That is not how to trade. You enter down that side where the market was buying now. Based on say market they go down, no mean say make you enter sell trade. It's very, very dangerous. So you go blow account instantly. Don't do that. Don't trade like that. Now good with this. All these go yeah. I don't understand.
It's not active.
Awesome. Now, Mama, please let me quickly answer that thing so that you no go use them as mistake. And though I understand that is why we are here, so that you go feel make you no make that mistake tomorrow. The truth of the matter is, based on say this market don't they go down and doesn't guarantee you to enter another sell. Don't if you try them, that would be a very big mistake where you go always the regret. Now, we dey buy from resistance. Now make I say as you do that pullback, you know say if you dey buy now, so it just give you another opportunity to enter another sell trade. Not be where so that if you go buy am when it go up, so that when it drop, you go make the profit. So you no go fit sorry, I said you will sell it when it go up. When price will go up, you will sell it from up, so that once it comes down, you will make profit. You cannot sell price that is already down, because price where they down, you know, as you reach the support now, if you do say that you know you don't have pullback. So if you go enter sell, but you say the market not dey use movement or they sell, the market fit start from there, they buy, and you will make losses because we don't sell from support. We only sell from resistance, from structure. So now the candle that closed now, the 15 minutes that closed earlier now closed as another engulfing continuation pattern. You see, those are still the information that I am still gathering that will boost my confidence to make the sell trade work out. The account see me, I don't know trade though. You know say I enter here, I don't say enter here when we do that pullback. I enter another 2 years. Now 10,000 now we dey go today 10K. Let me see. So what will be the next thing? Now remember, this market has not actually confirmed the sell. Like we said, we still have our mark here. We only executed this sell because I tell you, say, I dey really won't follow what dey happen for that daily. I dey more interested in the sell based on what I have seen on the higher time frame. So I believe the market is supposed to sell this particular New York session. Now I just try enter sell from inside there. Ordinarily, we are not supposed to be in any trade now. We are supposed to wait until this candle close. Let's see if this candle will be able to close below here. Now, once it closes below this particular support that we marked here like this, then we'll come wait for another green candle to come and pull back before we take the sell. Because that will be our confirmation that the market will sell. Yeah, I'm not going to answer you. You feel close, oh, no be na your money. Oh. No say me, I load and I feel close some anytime, any day. If you reach 200 now, I feel decide to plan 100. Go for one corner. Me post.
So if you're following your instruction, and you are just to give us the idea of what to do. You know that
I've given you an idea now.
We should leave it.
Yes, because we have a setup now. But you living it, don't let it be another mistake that you'll be making later. See, you should also learn how to take a valuable profit.
Okay.
Yes, it's very, very important. Very, very important. Very, very well. See, I've seen something like this. We do analysis like this. Mama, see, we don't do analysis like this before. Say, me market take our take profit here. Market respect the analysis. He was selling, he was selling, he was selling, he was selling. Then he cost sell reach here. Few pips to take the take profit. The market just reverse back. It go to my stop loss.
I was telling somebody, close that market. See almost $100 in fees. The market took back everything. What of that shop I was trying to collected everything, collected including my money. What of breaking?
You never, you decide. That is now. Should be a business person.
Yeah.
Me, I'm a business person too. So there's a way I manage my business. There's a way I want to make my money. You understand? If you want to do your break even, you can go ahead and do it. But just know that once you get to your entry, it will take you out. But me, I can decide to take my $200. Once you get to my entry, I will re-enter it again from there.
Just collected.
Then the account will keep going.
Okay, when this is start going to your direction, you enter.
No. Now this is that first question where you ask. Now you should ask you.
No, according to the explanation you just made, this can be seen close its body,
Not weak.
But to show that okay, I'm about to say, once he does that, you have to come back again
to retest before it comes.
Yes.
Before I continue the sell. So if I say close below, I will close my $200. Where am I able to whether I don't reach now? 229. Who will see 229 now and now be watching and sitting 240? So let me leave how many? I want to leave 2.
No. Close that one.
No, you don't need to close down. Leave some trade.
I love breaking even.
Don't love break even. No, you will not be able to make money. Oh. Yes, now should be without the user for years. Now you'll be making money. You understand the advice?
Situation that you are telling us that.
Based on saying that me give the signal, no me say go 100%.
I know.
Make me that they understand that part now. Yes, and they pull back, the market fee still can't reach our entry. So you that want to build your small account, why can't you take the little that you have seen? So when the market pulls back there, you re-enter it again.
That's what I want.
You see,
So
this Forex market there, we have a major problem, and that major problem is that, did you know that thing where give us that $200 now, person that make like $50,000 come up from the market?
Yes.
Now small move the person go look for now. So we don't even catch better move. Now you know say that better move, that move big. Now the market has done something like that's broken below on another lower time frame. So I'm going to anticipate. So mama watch. I'm anticipating this pullback now. Market don't break below here, you see, on 5 minutes time frame. So I'm going to be anticipating this market to buy back to this place. Because waiting on enter now here on for enter. Me enter from here the first trade. Now here on for enter. So now when market don't break here, you will see if you no pull back here. So why you will call if I may collect all the profit, you can't go even take your from break even before you go continue this. So just we are trying to build an account. Remember the plan and remember the game. We are trying to build an account for 1 month. And try to build it, you also need to learn how to take available profit. Now the one it not small, not think say it's small. Now 1 plus 1, now they make 2. If you don't carry 1, add to another one, no
I just want to know exactly how you want us to be doing it.
Okay, how I want us to be doing it is this. For you to be able to grow that your account, first of all, learn how to take available profit.
Okay.
Now, we have other accounts you will be using for that day trading. If you executed that sell on that standard account, maybe for you like maybe $5, then you come on. Another one a standard account. Then that one you don't close them. Then on this particular 1,000 cents, mama, you will need work. Oh. Fair bring laptop come tomorrow. There are some things that we are going to look into better tomorrow. When your laptop is there, you understand? We will do it tomorrow. So, yes, this is 30 minutes. Never see close, so no need to worry. Now, let's talk about the psychology and emotion of trading. How do you feel?
I feel better.
No, no be better. Like no, because say you close small profit, no be make you feel better. Like when you take the trade, you will actually your body be the somehow they react to the trade when you execute.
Okay, yes, normal.
It's normal, but that is we need to silence that part.
Okay.
Yes, we need to silence that part because why do we need that? See, any business that is taking your piece is not worth doing.
Okay.
Yes, any business that you go dey do, your mind will dey beat fast based on saying your money is involved. You are not supposed to be part of it. So if you want to be a forex trader, that one will be your greatest weakness. There is nobody wey no get emotion. So that is emotion, it will always play on you. But for you now to be consistent, you need to kill that emotion. Not that it will die completely, but there's a way you are going to silence it. How do you silence it? That is why I am bringing up the idea of trading with little money. I am bringing the idea of trading with little money, not because say I know what make people make big money, but because say I understand say if you go fit build your if you do this thing for 1 month and that account you were able to use that $10, maybe you later come withdraw $100 at the end of this month. There is a confidence that you will feel inside of it because you must have because now you are going through that tough time of being a disciplined analyst. You see what we analyze today, it was patiently done, no be something where you go just jump inside say based on the market no dey buy you go jump there because when we wake up gold was actually buying rapidly all through this morning. But we come on, we were now seeing a different direction of the buy what the market go dey do. Why? Because we did what is called top down analysis. We dey know dey jump at time. So how you go take silence that your emotional part is always make sure any trade wey you dey enter know wetin dey cause the entry. Okay, let me really rephrase wetin we teach this morning, which is market structure. So wetin you see say we call the wait for now market structure confirmation. Network. Yes, it pull back ahead. Now market structure. Now we just call the wait make it play out now. I don't know. Now let me get problem network issue. You don't tell them because if they disturb me, I know they see you. What did they happen now? Okay, don't come.
What if this market decide to sell down
Decide to sell down to where?
that delay? In that case, what would be?
Okay, that is because I always tell you, see, they know the jump better market, abi?
No, not really. I know that one that you don't know. I'm just looking at
If you decide to continue to sell like that, they go, they go, they go. Now, you might not see the pullback on maybe 1 hour time frame or 4 hours time frame, but there must be a pullback happening on 1 minute time frame. So I don't be aware enter trader for don't enter from either from here or from here or from here. I mean, no one just enter. You understand?
If you see the pullback in 1 minute,
I go enter the trade if I want to the trade. No, no need to wait for all those higher time frame. If like yesterday when we be ride that trend, no be lower time frame I be dey use for that or live trading section. You understand? It's because it makes a lot of noise. You understand? And it is easily manipulated. But you see, higher time frame cannot be easily manipulated. Higher time frame will play out what it's supposed to play out according to how it's supposed to play out according to market structure. Understand? If you are trading 5 minutes time frame, definitely you should be ready for the everything where they evolve. Because there are a lot of things evolving that time frame. But one thing when I want me to understand is say market structure will always play out. Yesterday, that small thing when I say we do so now just market structure now we follow. How? Market where sell where we know say it's supposed to pull back something like this now for instance. Then I now went to lower time frame, 5 minutes time frame, and I saw a tweezer button. And that gave me the confirmation that yes, this particular tweezer button will cause this market to buy and cover all of this sell. And it did.
yes. But somebody might just enter now. Like if they sell, like that if you now
Do the pullback, yes.
cover the favor down.
Yes, so now those ones let be the little error and I make I quickly shout say don't try to based on say you dey sell, then you got to see say the market see they go down. No me say based on say you see those red candle, when you come still enter another sell. See, this market will always be there. I want us to master that part now. Waiting they collect our money so now. When we dey see the market they move and we know them and we get more money for trading account, you won't quickly enter am. You know they make it go always cause us pain at the end of the day. You always lose the money and feel like say the market don't do it thing again. But now we respond to ourselves again, which we not supposed to do. So sometimes not be every opportunity you go catch.
It's not going anywhere. That's the most important thing.
It's not good. The market is always there.
Anywhere.
So
It's
if
always
you
there.
so make we just dey relax, no need to rush, no be the pullback, no be the episode.
Anywhere. When I have that at the back of my mind.
Market is always there, it's not going anywhere. Just relax and do what you are supposed to do. Now small until they go, no need to rush.
That's it I call to.
This thing, if you start to come out, it go hard you.
What you know, some people they are looking at me as fish specification. Yes, even yesterday, people are telling me your story now. Yes. Because someone cannot just see that. Yeah, the people that know that. Okay, like your friend, yes, friend. Yeah, no one of those relationship. If you say they are blinking, say it's called. Okay, then to say, okay, you under a spell. Call. call. As in, they are supposed to bring the work of God. That is what is
You don't wish like that.
every now and then. I have told them, I say, don't go and join exclusive together. You understand? If you see the money we have just paid here, even on that, no one's saying that is that was the only thing, don't go back up.
That was February 28th this year like this. I was on Zoom call. I was on this Telegram call with one person called Mr. Bob like that, trading together that day. On Thursday, it was on Thursday evening around 4 p.m. February 28, 2026 this year.
I never forget that day.
Forever.
How will you forget? Okay, like this one, and when he lost that money, as you are leaving wherever you are, if you are at home, if you are coming outside, nobody will see that you lost it.
Nobody now. Now liquid money now. Now make the tea they pay. See, you know why Forex is very, very hard.
She said, "Man, I've lost here now. It's only you that
you lose money.
Went out here.
Yeah.
If you are going out, you are looking for who will ask you what happened. You don't see anybody.
And so you just how much you lose now?
The money plays with almost 300.
Sorry.
And he has paid over 200. That is supposed to close. That one is very bad. And I think he was saying, don't close it, man. Don't close it. He says, I'm not starting this one. Don't let me do this, man. They just looking for who will give them a can't do. This I should see more. But you have the control of the account. You're supposed to close it now. You don't know what is there. When somebody doing something, that close it, they say, hey, that one that is closed, that is.
Now that's supposed to go where?
People have agreements. I mean, people have agreements. What agreement is on trade. I see that the trade is doing well. Look at it, I can't say, close this market. Just this thing Oga was explaining here. See the pull back. And that is collected this now. And you know, it's not yes, it's synthetic. So this thing Oga was explaining here. This thing now is passing. He collected the profit that was just closed. It must happen. The one that he made already. I was still watching it. You know what happened? As I'm here, I didn't know. If I'm at home, like yesterday, I closed. So as we are here listening now, I didn't check again. That one, yeah, when I checked, I saw this. I said, let me close this. He said, he was making me leave. And I saw that, I said, close this. I saw that he had already closed this asset SL. Do you understand? So as I'm even here now, do what I'm doing. This guy now I have collected the profit. Maybe his essay. He went like that and another bench now.
Yes, the market don't reach there.
He asked me how the money what to regret. He said the market have reached there. Well, let's enter. So what I enter now?
It just spike go wait. It spike go up. You see what happened? It spike go up, test that structure immediately and it started coming down. But the jump when he got the job come down, so now what kind of job where we say he go first still come back there again?
So maybe just hold on.
Yeah, let's put pending order.
Okay, pending order.
Yes, let's just put pending order there. Now what we supposed to use before I do that. Let's put pending order. Yeah. I don't know whether my Telegram people still dey active. Sir, can you still hear me?
I am with you, coach.
Anyway, you know they trade now. I be you they trade now for they call you back to make a check up on you.
So at one point I was just I don't get admission now. One day I suppose they added for money. I always excuse me. Okay. It is well, no? You make it just the coming year. Give yourself this June and July. You make it not worry. $2 calm down. You know myself. It is well. It is well. $1, me I will take $1, $2. Someone will just enter immediately and say 20. Is that greed? There is normal things that happen in market. Yes, that's why it's better you use your hand and blow your account by yourself.
So that you will learn.
Use your hand and blow your account by yourself. Not something to it is well. The momentum is high.
It's high. But if you still come back there, don't be afraid.
And that is what I sit down and chop stop loss.
Don't be afraid. If you still come back there. Me, I don't close the cell. You know, so I take 2 cells there now. I don't close them. Now, make I really want this, I really now here I want for daily cell. Now, why do I really want to be inside the cell from here? You see, we are trying to manage an account. Oh.
Yeah.
If you enter cell from here, from where the market is now, your stop loss still supposed to be above here. So it go over wide. Now, the best place to execute a sell trade is from here. Though the market reach there, now we know we put now. I think we don't already put it on. Maybe for trigger all of us, we forget that there more. Now, I'm still expecting it to come back there again. So that if we get sell trade here, our stop loss will still be above here.
Yeah.
Now, even if the market decide to go hit the stop loss, it will be 2 things. After hitting the stop loss and we observe that it closed above, it just spoil our sell analysis to confirm the continuation of the buy. So we don't know say all of our sell have been violated. So it is now time for this market to continue that buy. So we will just follow and buy after losing small amount. So by so doing, we will see say emotions will always be there, but it no go there as before. You go come feel dey wait for something where you dey plan. Wait for it, let's see how it goes. I pray that God will help us. You know, there is the Forex now business. Until you accept that part, you know it's going nowhere.
Like this. You are doing it alone. You can make a lot of mistakes.
Do you know why? A lot, like person like me now that has anger issue, I look better money that time. And if I lose more money like this, let's say for instance, I first of all make $50. If I make $50 in the morning, maybe I can go lose $20 each side later that same day. I go invest for the market. I go want just rush this go there. I go call investment enter a corner so that I go make out. And the market no go respect you. You go just put me everything up close. Understand? So that really affect me well. Why? Because I was being myself as a person where say I stubborn, and also not knowing that you why they more someone to say it is you versus you know the people that you are trading against. So who do you think you really are? So if not because when they help us, when they trade once more, who do you really think you are? You don't have the kind of money to trade the liquidity market.
Going to go,
I'm coming to go.
And since I started trading, is that gold. And God don't show me paper, and that gold, including my husband, 2 of us that gold. I don't show us paper.
Me, I don't know. I know that gold there they trade. Oh.
And that gold, because if you go other ones, like that's if you're wasting your time.
It is boring. And God has helped us that we've understood how good we are for years. Why? Because I don't stick with her for years. So go they manipulate well, and go they blow account well. But in the same vein, I go they give the kind of money where you really want.
This set is very good account. Very good. This set account is very good. If I know about set account, well, how would I be losing 2 million, 3 million? So I'm trying. And anybody I want to help is not set account. I want to ask you something. That's a package for you. So I show you the writing partner and all those things. In fact, if I have somebody like that, because even though me, I never did profitable Forex, I know say I don't teach one person. The black person have not started trading. And like my husband said, it's also a trader. So if I give him that my link now, how is it going to be? Is it
if the person they trade, you will get commission now. If the person is trading, you will be getting commission now.
If the person is trading. There's one online source that we told them because of online. Yeah, I like Facebook something. So that one I say partner this and I'm together follow the training people that are under even people that come under you also. So my problem is that English has and the way the thing is I like one-on-one mentor. I don't like that online. So I wanted to ask whether that's not it for it. Is to say they can trade for people that
you can
Copy trade.
enter trade, copy trade. To see what I help anyone that is using my book.
If you want people to be copying your trade, you have to be the signal, you have to be the strategy provider now.
I never did know.
So you have to be the strategy provider. You will be trading your account and people will be copying your trade from that platform. Everything they just follow the process. If you want to create the account, you follow the process, you create the account, you get it verified, then you start doing it.
That one is when I don't already know what I'm doing. See what is going to see. The thing that is already going on, don't know what I'm going to. Yeah, oh. That is not good. I can always come. So, one night I cried. I said, like, this is a little against my account. Because my own, I have to prepare your borrowing money for first bank. If I don't do it, I will say, let me go and borrow and cover the money. I said, I will stand on the place 400,000, 300,000. I say, go. And the debt will be waiting for me. So it's not a cost. No, it's not a cost. He said, but it's not cost. Call. What about that one? When they not bring you on into business.
No go fit break am into business. That one I know the no suppose do am like that.
And you're not supposed to bring the truth. The only thing that is happening to me and you now is because we never know the market structure, we never learn. If now, maybe you have those experience of that. And now, you understand, gradually you're growing. So that's the thing. You know, this one day, Gnforex, it was even, see Gnforex and gem. They were even on live, giving people signals, their heaven and they just flash all those there, blah, 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 blah. That's so all the attack, go, everything blow. And the signal again, when you look at it, it looks like something that is good. You understand? Like the one we did here now, supposed to go down and see something going on. Or you think no, nobody knows it all. That's what I want to know. Nobody knows it all. So it's always like that. But when you know something and you are running with it, and it's profit will be better than the loss. If you come to my show, we have the way I don't selling things. Because then we can't control what I have here. And it's almost raining. You can't pay. I don't even know what I have on the spend. It's not, I'm buying for this Forex. One man came last week, I say, one man came last week, he asked me, madam, you never go market. What's happening? Anybody die? And I don't even know how to explain that because most of the things that happen is even me. I don't even know the risk I'm taking in this trade. Because the money is always just power. Just be trading. When I entered this trade, I made $100 and I stood up that $100. Yeah.
You still blank?
Yes, immediately. When I was looking for more now. As I say, mentorship, let me give myself one. Now, give myself. All of us are here.
No, it is not always like that. Let me explain something to you. See, make heaven and earth be your mentor. Yeah? If you know do what you're supposed to, like me now, not be me get your money. Like mama now go fit don dey familiar with what they do. I no go fit tell you what to do with your money. I go only do analysis, and sometimes our analysis they go well, sometimes no go well. Yes. We get our support. So now, like that trade when I say when you close, maybe you must be feeling bad. Say I tell you when you close because after you close them, the trade still go down well. But if you observe the pullback when we say make we foreclose am, the market no do am.
Correct.
Because now here market break, those trade where on enter, now somewhere around there, now na for enter am. Now me enter from this place when I enjoy this thing. Now be dey here. But you see I'm say the market is still do pull back under your entry point when you for enter at the first time. Meanwhile, I didn't you don't take am before. Now so if I still take all of it, everything then you call the call. So now forget the fact that we no dey the sell again. On the normal, if not for that distraction, we have already for don't get our pending here. So when he put back there, for don't already trigger us what he said. Now, based on say we were not looking at the chart and we were not that focused and we were talking and we missed this particular because exactly the pullback that we analyzed, the market did it.
Yes.
No be in a market structure. No, this one no be strategy. This one no be about mentorship. This one is something where market they always do. When we say if you don't know, yes, you will just have to be familiar with it and you need to know it, and also you need to build confidence, trust in those stuff. Me, I call them your edge. In this forex market, you don't need mentorship more than 1 month, 2 months. What you just really need get one. That is why I said you can will not do it. Don't expect me to come to that board and start defining the definition of pips or the history of forex. I cannot be doing all of that as for forex class, because those things will never give you $1. So instead, let's go directly to what I feel say you suppose know on how to trade, on how to place your buy and sell and make money. Now after that, I can't tell you say today we don't count different reversal pattern. There was a place where you foresee bearish engulfing. The next one we open a double top. The next one we open a inverted dam. I believe you can still remember now. So all those things when you see with the course, so now be our edge. So anytime you open your chart, you are looking for something. So when you see that thing, take am. If you see them and it play out, based on say you don't already know them, take them. It's either it go your way or it go against you. But if you do it 10 times, how many times it go your way? So that one, that will be the game. That will be what they do. Then if you don't already know them like that, then try to balance them as a business person in a way where we say, no carry all your money go for this man. You know go feel trade them, especially when it be your business money where you know say now your mind will be there. As far as your business money don't dey here, it dey Bible now. Where your treasure is, that is where your heart is. Because as far as say you don't carry money where they do where pay you put for this market, your mind will be there. So the emotion will be too high. And you will not be able to control it. You must blow the account before your eye will clear. So the best thing I just do what if you do. This market was there before they born any one of us here, and it will still be there. Last year, they say somebody died inside Lamborghini where that crypto crash. You say he lost about how many billions of dollars? Say he buy a millionaire in dollars will just buy like that. You understand? Why? Because say he made losses. If I make any losses, now to go bath, shit, chop, sleep, wake up and rethink and restart. No, nothing more will happen. And today they started the blue account. So you don't pass like that. And you can actually do good with any amount. Just have an edge and keep doing what you are doing. One step at a time. You will see an opportunity, you take it. Some will enter, some will not enter. Some will want to enter, but they will later go against. Those things now, what you need to calculate, plan alongside with them so that you will call user build what you will do. Because what will give you money, not be me go teacher. This is what I mean. As time goes on, you will be discovering some things by yourself from the chart. Those discoveries now be waiting me until they do my scalping. So anytime I do scalping, I'm a scalper. If I don't do scalping, so you go see, say you go dey think say this market will continue to sell, but I go increase my loss size, I go nag buy, and the market will actually shift go up and close my buy. Now those things, no be try your luck, I dey always do when I dey do that thing. Now something when I don't already know, study, follow carefully, and as I'm saying, it don't work countless times. So it's an edge that I have. So whenever I see it, I'll just take advantage of it. But not all the time. All the time when I take it, nobody they go well. Sometimes it go well while someone else wants to go well. So on your 5 minutes time frame, there is a structure right here. We are going to mark it and drag 2 of our pending orders to that structure on 5 minutes time frame.
Minutes.
5 minutes now. 4 minutes, do your chart.
Right, so in this example, just break this and so I use this money to buy this. So I use this. I'm not with that page that is easiest money. There's no hard that I don't know what that will I use it for business and I will grow this.
They flag it.
I was okay and I saw it. I wish I saw him doing it. I started talking to him.
I will come here every day. By God's grace, next month, we get to that. We come from the family. We just shall come. Because I know that I'm not coming. If I will come that work finish, we'll get something. I will go and pay the account. The same thing for July. I'll be the same. We go this. I got the phone when I first. This many order, no stop loss, right?
Make it trigger first, man. If it trigger, you will do your stop loss. Your order trigger?
Yeah.
Hey, my order trigger too.
Not of all.
How many? 3 trade.
I don't know.
Yo, 2. Because that stop loss on a put, so it's too far. You plenty well. I want me day here. Maybe 24, 24. Open your 1 minute time frame, you see above the particular structure. Yeah. How are you? You don't put your. More, don't put on.
That is not
It is very.
You all lose last one money when you lose, now you for the like this.
Remember someone lose $21. How many dollars to say it lose? On 28th of February. All these things is what we use to
That money when I lose like that, if I pay, I don't have any business to use that. That money safe, I cannot even remove $1 from it. I You understand? Sure. Anything is happening, finish like this, you will just be regret. So I know that I will just completely close down.
It's supposed to be, but since you are because you are
So I close like this, let's share.
and you still give him his own.
You don't know why would I give you? I'm just telling you now that this one happened now.
What are you going to share? When we started Forex, someone said the person that are giving that made me know about Forex. So I decided I never read it about Forex. So that means I read it about Forex. Because flashing is that and everything. It's somebody that's very close.
Come and see.
So I asked him, told me that he's trading Forex, all those things. So yeah, that's good.
Hey, I'm gonna do it today.
Then we take.
Na 2:30 it is.
It's better.
You suppose dey.
So,
Looks like you last week.
I don't go to so people say we trading for us. When you saw second time, you know that.
Hey, person use better account.
That is not thing I'm talking about. You're not thinking of the person use the data to it. But you have losses.
It will not be so much. I just
They see the same thing you are talking about. Swear, wow. It's scary.
how many?
It's scary.
Yeah, close.
How many people?
Say close, $1. He said account.
All for you. Hey, oh, now you can do it like that. You see that day now, run it to me. If I see them overnight, it's money for you. Ah. I mean, I think that was better than that.
You enter another one.
Yes. Okay,
Forex go match you. Oh.
yeah, I know. And I send
If you close.
my spending order that I put through.
Okay.
Spending order. Because you never reach this one. You didn't reach to that.
Because what now they talk now, we say, if you take your profit, you are not supposed to place a set trade in there.
Okay.
Oh. What if the market go do you go shock say. All right.
They don't go like that. Honestly. Okay, now I have people now from the place to the first one. As I close the other, yes, as I close the other ones.
You see what will happen now? Now major pullback will happen. So that particular pullback will be the espresso. It go still it go happen now. Just the watch. Make I show you why it go happen. Now.
Now that is for us.
Make I show you something. If you open, see if you open your 3 minutes time frame, this market just print a better what they call tweezer bottom. What they call a tweezer bottom, better one with 2 wings. The body of the candle the same place. Now it be this particular 2 candle where you see there. So 3 minutes. But now 3 minutes is for form. Do you know that this particular candle is possible for the market to use this particular information and do this? See, pull back the year when market will go do. All those small one are just for us to just make one money. Yes, now pull back the year when market go do. Make no lose guide though. And if market start to do this between here and here now, not be small move it be on 15 minutes time frame. So anything will make me see reversal pattern or lower time frame, maybe 1 minute or 5 minutes or 3 minutes. Now definitely that means this market go still come here. So if you close your set trade in profit, no matter what happen, no jump enter inside set trade immediately. Instead, if you must do anything, first take am first and put a very good pending order. So this me I still dey expect make market come here.
Spending order.
Me I still dey expect because now you go think say market don't forget this structure, never forget. It's only reacting to higher time frame. Let me show you the higher time frame the market is reacting to. If you open your 1 hour time frame, if you open your 1 hour time frame, you will see that look at the missed double top that we talked today. So that previous 1 hour now before this one call open, now it close below here. You understand? So we suppose see Greek candle come here now on 1 hour time frame. So all these 7 in the sense, so make it they do what they do. If you don't do finish now, it will give us reversal pattern for lower time frame. It will use a package that pullback with a very clear green candle, then continue the sell again. As that time, so you of course say this 15 minutes time frame when they say long. So another time you will tell you say the distance no far. Small time, 2 candles, you don't use and reach there. Clear people stop loss because now that is the manipulation part of gold. We are selling. Many people are also selling and they are making money now, and they want to sell more. Greed, that spirit of greed now, it does show now. It will not push the person, make you do what you not supposed to. Just make one mistake, whether you don't go lose everything, including your capital. Just make one single wrong step now, whether you no go lose even your capital wey you carry come on gold, na gold you wan take do this thing, e go just call you yeye person. Gold na very useless thing. Una no know. You see this pizza button, it is.
But person wey use normal account follow that one, there is no how you know this
No judge like that. Na wrong judgment now you dey do, so no, don't do that, don't do like that. No, even if it's not sent, should be me, I have a standard account. I'm trading a standard account here, so. But the truth of the matter is, do you know the idea behind trading reset account? The idea behind trading reset account is for you to free yourself from emotional part of trading. Understand? Learn it first. Be free from that emotion first. Be free from that emotion first. When you don't free from that emotion, come to your standard account. You will be able to make money. Why? Because you are free with emotion. Now, as you are trying to free yourself from that emotion, I mean, make you still put $1, $2 join them. You understand? But you are trying to gather something. I said only for the month of June. Let's do it for month of June. Let's see. So that no be small money for them.
I'm not saying that the analysis is great. One we're not feeling because say that center.
See, I get edge for this market. Look at that Twitter button when I talk now. It dey work, it dey work like juju. I mean, I take buy and I don't close the profit. I don't close the profit too. When I see me, I go take some. So don't say me, I go enter. I don't take one. So make we dey take note of all those kind of information. That be the edge where we dey look out for as day trader. Another thing only. This thing no be something where make we no follow everything where we dey see, but understand those kind of information. If you see am, it means the market go do pullback. It go shift, go back. Try am 10 times, you go see say 6 times, 7, 8 times, you go your way. So now, me, I know say wetin you call me dey do now be say we call dey use 5 minutes say dey put pending order. You just come there trigger. So on a normal, I for don put another pending order here, but I will not try it. Why? I am seeing a very clear structure here. I will see this structure might cause this market to do the pullback to this particular place that we marked on 1 hour time frame. This is what it looks like on 1 hour time frame. Now, very simple something where we say market supposed to come back there according to market structure. Price breaking support over here, we supposed to come back there, and a normal something they very clear for high. So based on say you be day sell and you will make money doesn't mean that you should still make, except you are a swing trader. And I've made a couple of videos about that. See, you can call yourself a day trader or you call yourself a scalper and you are letting your trade run as if you're a swing trader. You don't know what you are doing. You should learn how to build an account. If you are scalping it, scalp it and learn how to take available profit whenever you see one. Take it. It is not bad. Now the one where you don't take, now you don't take. Now, do you know that even if say now the $5 now you make today or $4, is a percentage. Calculate that in the percentage according to your account size. You will not say you actually did well.
It's true.
Let it be like that. Now, let that discipline and that consistency be like that for 1 month. Then come back to your standard account. You will see the progress. The progress. You understand? I pray that God will give us understanding. It's not easy. Me, for this particular set, now this pin bar, now they anticipate according to daily time frame this market come. But you go need to do pullback, do sell, pullback, do sell according to market structure. So the next pullback that I'm anticipating now is a major pullback. I'm anticipating not yet. I'm expecting this market to come here.
Okay.
Then that time when the market reach here, because in the next few minutes, I mean the next 1 hour or few minutes, the London market will close. Then the overlap will go over. Now only New York market will go day active. So when we are trading only that New York market, the market, if you don't do that pullback, then you call the waka they go down again, small. That time so you know call the rush. Now small movement you call it do. That is towards evening.
under 5 minutes now. Is that a bullish candle? I will call it a block.
5 minutes. 5 minutes, we have a Twitter bottom there. Now see the Twitter bottom that they talk so. Now we take trade yesterday. Oh. This Twitter bottom now is the same thing. Now we still see. Was it on the same 5 minutes? I think 15 minutes. When we take package that buy when we say the market will do. So the moment it do like this, I quickly draw this circle. Then I mark that particular support as my escape route. How I take market as my escape route, because as at that point they will not say the market be the sell ruggedly. But the moment it do, I know say this kind of thing the current market go up. So as at that time, I wasn't expecting gold to reverse to uptrend. I was only expecting gold to do major pullback, like the one that I'm expecting now. Because I can decide to start buying the market from here. So as it come down there, you go cause say I go do some buy like this. 1, 2, 3. Yes, as I teach you, make I teach you with live account. Then I'll couple the stop loss below. Now, the moment I put the stop loss below, it goes very, very close, because you see this particular place, we have a Twitter bottom here. Anything that makes price break below here, it has violated that my buy. So I will just quickly accept that loss is not shaking. But when you see this, the market feel expect now rugged here, make it come to this place. Now, if you expect coming to this place, it's only reacting to, because it's going to violate many structures here. You can see some structures and go even break above here. So begin I go to think say now reversal to uptrend. Meanwhile, 1 hour time frame now just pull back it be. So now make I say we need to understand that the higher time frame controls the lower time frame. So I'm currently anticipating this 1 hour time frame to come here. But on lower time frame, you will go, we will feel over the same as we say now market one reverse here. But I mean I take the buy as I talk to say. Now fear in the fear now. So me I will take it because now the same thing happened yesterday.
You want to take it as going now. If you say it's not good. Since you are
yes, that's it. Come out of your mind entirely. Don't look the entire market based on say you just go. That is not how to trade.
Okay.
If you have been doing it before, erase them from your mind, because say that means you go be the kind of person where we say now middle you go there for the entire trade middle. And once you enter middle, once you enter the trade from middle, your surplus go be over wide. And you go see am now. First try first, you go see how you go take blue account. What will be madam my stop losses? 40. They okay. See there they buy. But you know what we buy?
Yeah.
You know what we buy?
But I know what you do.
Like you know why we buy?
Yes, you see that
Why we buy?
they are supposed to be a pullback before the sell.
So that, but not that sell be our major direction.
Yes.
So if you dey buy am, na just pull back. So no think say you go fit reach there, go, and if you still no reach there, so learn to always guide your profit as you dey go am.
Is it by
No, that's capital they do.
scrapping by yourself?
Right.
It's not a stop loss.
The first one I did.
It's stop loss now.
My own is two now, but now scap I did. Oh, I'll see 42 now. No fake people.
Listen,
Not anyone.
when the run has only works, everywhere that's selling.
But the money for that set be high.
Don't sell from where this market is now. It's very risky.
There's a need for pop-up markets. Iran not do something. There's anything where Iran do that. They say Trump is going up. Anytime he has Iran, this will be going down. See?
To be a scalper is not a day job. Hmm. Mas what happen?
That means I see myself.
No, I just enter a small buy now
Okay.
before that drop.
Did you touch your stop loss?
I never even said the stop loss before it drop.
Okay.
Though I no lose much, it don't come back to my entry.
I think you stop loss with the that's what I'm telling you. You know the longer than that month. And now it's been as if you want to go down.
It will go down. Oh.
You go down, right?
Why? It will go down. Oh.
I enter so.
That opportunity no dey for myself for now. Market need to do pullback before I enter sell. For now, e dey structure. See,
Let's go.
the only thing when I dey enter from here now buy scalping, make it just shift go up. At least when this market shift go up, it breaks structure now. See where market dey now. Market suppose shift go up now. You no fit enter sell from here. Why would I be entering a sell for market when just is support? But I am telling you that it's going to sell because of the momentum and according to what I dey see now, fundamentally, this market will go sell. Remember the thoughts today say the analysis is for daily time frame that we made this market. It don't buy reject today before. We said they should reject it and if possible close as a sell body today. Now the plan I be that and it's this time. Why? Because of the technical information of yesterday candle that closed as a bearish information. It's supposed to take price down. So this market, as far as they don't buy overnight and early London section, they're supposed to sell out through this New York session, even close below as a sell candle below for our continuation tomorrow. Where we? Where are we now?
I don't come up for the value. Hey, I didn't guys. I don't make sisters. They're calling us 60 wearing them. No, this is consolidated now.
60 waiting. That's 60 cents.
16.
Ah.
Yeah, I won't go. No.
Okay, how much? My own day now.
You know, no, where is 69? The take one is stop. Now, where you go? I don't come, I can make it 6 cents. I know when I need small opportunity to there. So, it's one. It's such that for one. I know it's in my decision. Come with it. That's something we need. That's something we need to know. To go on this, you know what those upstairs.
And I'm selling it at the pump.
Sir.
Okay, man. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
All right.
They come, I will come in.
Okay.
Okay, man. Bye-bye.
You know, trigger me. They come down.
Okay, so we wanted to go now. See what you are.
Yes, when I sell, the market go sell now. I sell, you know the see market structure. I just opportunity to re-enter the sell. Now be wait here and they look. But if you come out for here, you don't close. You know, you are not supposed to trade at home.
Yeah?
You are not supposed to trade those accounts at night.
Okay. Okay. It's a challenge. You have to follow the rules, right? Avoid the story of what.
So when you bring that laptop tomorrow, I will help you set them up so that you will fit trade that standard account. Now only when I don't make money, so because me I traded the standard account here. So and secondly, there is a way you need to dey react anytime you dey trade. Don't no fee say you suppose dey inside the trade. Na very bad something. If they collect person money, you must not be in every trade. There are some trades that you are supposed to just watch play out. Then once it confirms what you need, then you can execute it and patiently put your stop loss and take profit and let it play out. Now take note of this. On 30 minutes time frame, there will be a bounce back. I just talk at the T just down. There will be a bounce back once the market tests this particular structure right here. There will be a bounce back and there will be a pullback.
So what is it mean? Are you still anticipating that it will sell or not?
The analysis is a sell analysis trade now.
Okay. Can I enter and leave it?
Enter what?
Sell.
How now? Why you go enter sell for? I'm just telling you what if you want enter sell, I say from pullback. I just said if market sell reach here, there will be a pushback, there will be a pullback, and then from that pullback, you can enter it.
Okay.
Don't make that mistake. Based on say you see market don already dey sell, I did not miss make you enter. Now mistake e go blow you account, you go regret am. I know wetin I dey talk. I'm speaking for fact. Based on say market dey sell, doesn't na people enter am for sell. If we no help close that our sell trade, we would have still been in the sell trade now. You understand? So now normal something. Don't let anything manipulate you. So as you just knack there now, and knack some scalpy buy. See how I do my scalping. See how? Then as the ship go up, on this thing here, go up, even at 50,
So you said it's doing this, I think go up.
it's supposed to go up. Now there, now it just eat structure there. So now scalp. This is my scalpy edge. See now, it just give me 40 something. So that is my scalpy edge. Market no go fit eat that kind of structure. Make it no shoot. Make it no push go up.
Even if it's
Yes. So even if say it go continue the down, but as far as say it don't eat there, it must shit go up first. Now my scalpy edge with that. So it dey always work for me. Don't say I load them. I over leverage my account. No. So I use bigger something. Yes.